Welcome to another ShortPoint tutorial. My name is Yvette. In this course, we went through the most used design elements in ShortPoint. We showed you how they work as individual components added to the page. But did you know that there are design elements that allow you to add other design elements inside them? We categorize them as content holder design elements. They open up a lot of possibilities for design and function on your page. In live mode, you'll be able to identify content holder design elements by looking at the easy pass tags. As you can see, you have the building blocks, which are the section, row, and column. You also have the panel design element, which is used to label this column. Then you have the file list design element displaying the different files. This text design element is highlighted using the background design element. And you also find different content displayed in each portion of the tabs design element. While editing, it is easy to identify a content holder design element. You can do this by checking if you see the plus icon within it. When we add the frame design element, for example, you will find that its default content is text. However, you could also insert an image or video within the frame whenever you like. In this lesson, we will show you some content holders and how to use them. We will show you how to add the background design element. We will also explain how it differs from the built-in background feature. We will show you how to add a panel design element to organize page content. We will also give you steps on how to compress content and encourage interaction on your page using tabs and accordions. You may have noticed that in some design elements, you have options to customize their background. This is part of their general settings. The section, row, and column are the first elements providing you an option to apply background. You can select a color background, add an image, or a video. The slideshow also has a setting for background color. However, when this setting is not available and you need to add a background to a design element on your page, you have the background design element. Add it to your page, select the background you want to use, and modify its design settings. Then you can insert another design element where you will display your content. You can add multiple design elements if needed. The panel design element is commonly used to add a label to parts of your SharePoint page. It is used to organize your content and helps users quickly find what they are looking for. We can dedicate this section to news and events by adding a panel. We can add a title, subtitle, and use an icon. We can delete the text content because we are going to add other design elements to it. We can also direct users to another page by using a link. In the Design tab, you can choose a different panel style. You can change its color and choose another linking option. You can also customize the design of each component of the design element from the Advanced tab. Once you are done, you can insert the design element that displays your content. Add a listing of the organization's news and highlight events in it. When you want to limit your page to a few scrolls length, you will need to find a way to compress your content. Show full details only when your users want to, or give them the option to see only what they want to see. This is where the tabs and Accordions Design Elements shine. The tabs design element allow you to show content according to what tab is opened. Let us say that you have a number of office locations. You want to show an image, address details, and contact information for each location. Adding them individually on the page will take too much space. We can insert a tab design element, add each office location as a title, and edit the text. We can customize settings in the Design and Advanced tabs to meet our requirements. Then we will insert an image design element and attach an image to each location. The Accordions Design element works the same way. The only difference is that it features an expanded collapse action instead of tabs. Add the title of each item and the text. change title colors or use icons in the Design tab. Then insert design elements to display additional content as needed. You now have content that is hidden from plain view but accessible when users interact with them. You also prevented your users from getting overwhelmed with information. These are just a few of the content holder design elements. There is more that you can mix and match to achieve your intranet design goals. And that's it. We have come to the end of the Introduction to ShortPoint Design Elements course. We hope you gain a strong foundation of knowledge and skills in using ShortPoint. These are tools that will help you in building a modern and engaging intranet. We have only touched the tip of the iceberg. Do continue to explore the over 60 ShortPoint design elements and their features. And I hope to see you again in the next ShortPoint Academy course. Thank you for watching.